What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, in this video, I got humbled, guys. I got humbled by the market, right? I didn't follow my trading plan today, and I just want to share it with you guys for you to see the reason and the purpose to which there is the need for, at every point in time, to be extremely disciplined, to be very precise and as rigid as possible when it comes to your rules, and follow them to the core, right? So for those that have been following my channel for some time now will know pretty well that usually I don't have a fixed take profit target. Oftentimes I just target the next zone because I trade it somewhat of support and resistance with some extra things, basically price action to it. So before I go ahead, right, I often sort of just take my trades based off of structure, and then when I get into those trades, I'm looking to take profit at the next structure, right? So yesterday, I got into a sell while I was live, and then I did share it with people on the live to probably take the trade. We had this major structure which was previous support, broke through, retested, and then became a resistance zone. So when I saw this pattern, if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, right, this is bearish engulfing pattern, and then this is an inside buy formation, which is one of my favorite pattern that I trade on the chart. So I got into the trade, and I held it overnight. So this morning at about 7 a.m. my trade was in profit of about 1 to 4 in profit. So based off of my rule, once my trade gets into profit of 1 to 2, I move my stop loss into the nearest zone. So based off of this is usually based off of the 1 hour, not on the 15 minutes, right? In as much as there were other zones that were already being created here, let me take this off. There were other zones that were being created here when market started break of structure on the 15 minutes, right? This was the major break of, because we had these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then we had this push to the upside. And this was a signal for me to probably close my trade or even move my stop loss to here earlier on. But I didn't move my stop loss, and I was in anticipation that this major structure here, which is this one, this area, will hold, and then we'll continue to sell to the downside. So when markets pushed up, I changed my plan again that okay, I'm going to be looking at the 61.8 area, which this is the 61.8 area here on the fib retracement. And I just want to sort of share this with you guys that I fucked up, and I'm growing in terms of my trading. I'm being a better trader day by day, and all of these mistakes usually are always based off of emotions, because when the full target of this trade was that okay, if this trade go to where my target is, it will give me a 1 to 8, and with that 1 to 8, it will automatically I'll be able to pass my challenge accounts with FTMO and with Alpha Capital that I have, and I'll just move on to the funded stage, right? So now, looking at what I did, now reflecting and looking at it, market has already broken structure here, which is where I should have taken my profit. Now I ended up giving back profit of about 3%, and then I closed out for a 1% in profit, which is I was in profit of 4%, and then it retraced back against me by 3%. Now, the reason why I often hold my trades for long term is because I'm looking to maximize and look at the potentials of where market is moving. So for my previous trades that I've had in last week, I had a sell from here and then I took out my profit exactly at this turnaround. So oftentimes it's always as if, so I would say this was a very good trade for me because I was able to make 8%, and I was sort of like happy, and I was getting a little bit confident in myself. And I would say what resulted to what happened today is as a result of maybe my winning streaks, and then I got overconfident, and yeah, immediately I've been humbled by the market, right? And I'd learned my lesson. So even on Friday as well, so I just want to sort of like share this for you to see the way I approach my trading. On Friday, I got stopped out just during NFP, and then I got into a second re-entry opportunity just somewhere here. And I don't like to hold my trades over the weekend just because of there is a possibility of a gap, right? So the trade went to 3.6, then I closed out my profit and I just moved on. So I also had a long trade from set up from here that eventually the take profit zone was here and the stop loss was just about 20 pips. So based off of my strategy, that is the way I approach my trading, and I've been on a winning streak, to be very honest, for the past for I would say for the month of February. I've been on the winning streak, and I'm grateful for that. But at the same time, I need to caution myself and not get overconfident in my approach and in what I'm doing, so that I don't, as a result, self-sabotage my growth and all the work I've been putting in for the year. So pretty much that's it for this video, guys. All I'll just say is try as much as possible to stick to your rules, to whatever rules you have. Do your best to also eradicate emotions. Don't look at the profit for too much. Don't look at the possibility of what you are looking to gain, which is what sort of puts me in trouble in this place. I will have been fine to like take my 1 to 4 and then probably look for another setup. Maybe even take a buy here, right? When I saw that this was a change of structure here, and then market is looking to move to the upside, maybe take a buy, and my stop loss will have been 20 pips. But regardless, I in a way also was like marrying the setup that market has to sell, G is weak, G is weak, and all of that. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. What am I going to do better next time is, for me, I'm not trading again today. Till tomorrow is another day. I will look at the market fresh and with a clear head. And what I will look to do better is to make sure that I'm following my rules that I've set out, because the rules has been what has been protecting me, has not made me blown accounts, and has kept me out of drawdown for a very long time. So pretty much that's for this video, guys. I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you for the love and support. Peace.